Welcome back to my channel. In a world driven by thoughts and beliefs, the power to reshape your reality lies not in the stars, but in the mind. Welcome, dear viewer, to a transformative journey where the stories you tell yourself become the life you live. Today, let's explore the profound art of reprogramming your mind for a new, empowering reality. Our thoughts are seeds, and like skilled gardeners, we must choose what we plant. Imagine the mind as fertile soil, ready to grow whatever intentions you sow. Begin each day by committing to positive affirmations. Speak words that uplift, words that declare the person you aspire to be. I am capable, I am worthy, I am evolving. Allow your mind to absorb these truths, challenging old narratives that no longer serve you. Next, visualize the world you desire. See it, feel it, in all its detail, because the brain captures images more vividly than words. Reinforce this mental picture daily, and soon the subconscious mind works tirelessly to align your reality with your imagined existence. Remember, your environment shapes your mindset. Surround yourself with positivity, people who inspire, books that enlighten, and spaces that energize. Strip away the noise that hinders progress. Cultivate an atmosphere of growth, and watch as your internal compass shifts towards innovation. Our brains are malleable, a term known as neuroplasticity, and habits are the chisels that sculpt our neural pathways. Employ small, consistent actions that mirror the person you wish to become. With time, these habits grow roots, while your mind evolves to embrace change bent towards your new reality. Yet, be gentle in this process. Forgive setbacks and cherish progress. All are testimony to your journey. Think of failures as lessons, stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. Reprogramming the mind is not a race, but a voyage of self-discovery and empowerment. Every thought, every belief is a building block, an architect of your reality. Choose them wisely. With each intentional shift, you proclaim to the universe that you are the master of your own fate, crafting a life that resonates with purpose and passion. Embrace this power, your new reality awaits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.